Want to build a professional-looking website in just a few minutes? No coding, no headaches. Just simple, stylish results. Today, I'm going to show you how to create your own website using Card, the easiest tool out there for beginners. Let's dive in. First, why Card? Card is a website builder that specializes in creating simple, one-page websites. It's perfect for landing pages, portfolios, personal profiles. Basically, anything where you want to deliver a clear, concise message on a single page. Plus, it's affordable, with a free version and a pro version that's only $19 a year. Okay, let's get building. Here's a step-by-step breakdown. Choose a template start by heading to card.co. From there, browse over 75 beautifully designed templates. Choose one that fits your project, whether it's a landing page, portfolio, or business card. Customize the content. Card makes editing easy with its drag and drop interface. Click on any text or image to change it. No coding necessary. You can adjust fonts, colors, and images to match your style or brand. Keep it simple and clean, and you'll be good to go. Add buttons and forms. Want people to contact you or follow you on social media? Card has built-in buttons for linking to Facebook, Instagram, email, and more. You can even add forms to collect emails or get feedback. Just drag and drop and you're set. Preview and publish. Once you're happy with your design, hit Preview to see how it looks. If it's ready to go, click Publish and choose either a free Card subdomain or your custom domain if you're using the Pro plan. Boom! Your site is live. Why just one page? Simplicity is key, especially if you're starting out. A single page keeps things clean and focused. It's perfect for getting your message across without overwhelming your visitors. Whether it's a personal portfolio or a small business landing page, one page does the job. And that's it. Super simple, right? If you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Ready to build your website? Head over to Card and start your project today. Drop a comment below if you have any questions. I'll see you in the next video.